Kamal, hope you're having a great day. Today we're just going to do a brief overview about what is Sowsh, what are our products, what do they do, and how they can help you. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we have the Sowsh phone tag. This is definitely our most popular and best-selling product at the cheapest price point. It's just a small, discreet sticker, sticks on the back of your phone, barely notice it. Next, for those who don't want to have a sticker on the back of their phone, we have the Sowsh card. This is just similar to a plastic debit card. Keep it in your wallet. Unless you lose your wallet, you're not going to lose this. Next, for those who like more premium feeling business card, we have the Sowsh Silver Metal Alloy card. Definitely sturdy, looks great. You know, not going to bend, not going to break. People love it. Next, we have the Sowsh keychain. You can put this on your car keys, your purse, whatever you want. Just another option for y'all. Lastly, we have the Sowsh ring. This is definitely for the diehards. You know, definitely never going to lose this one. So now that you know what our products are, let's get into exactly how they work. All the Sowsh devices that we just showed you have the exact same functionality and operate in the exact same way. So for all intents and purposes of this video, I'll be showing you using the Sowsh tag on 2 iPhones. Note that Android also can receive Sowsh, as you don't need an app or a Sowsh on your phone to receive someone's info. Sharing your contact info, social media, and more is so easy and fast with Sowsh. All you have to do is simply have the other person tap your Sowsh device with the top middle of their phone. This will then prompt them to open a Safari link. Opening this link will take them to your public profile. On your profile, you have your name, bio, any of your contact information, social media, music, payment, and up to 8 web links that you want to share. To save the contact, simply hit the contact button, and then all your links will be populated cleanly into one contact card. You can hit create new contact, done, and boom, now you're connected. Now I'm sure you're wondering, how do you get your information onto your Sowsh device? Well, that's simple. All our devices come with packaging that contains step-by-step instructions of how to download and set up our app. You can find it on the App Store, and once you download, simply create an account, upload all your information that you want to your profile, save your profile, and then you'll be prompted to activate your tag. Once it's activated, you can place it on the back of your phone, or if you're using a card, it's ready to go. For future reference, you can update your profile however you want, and your card or tag will automatically be updated with that information. No need to activate twice. Next, I'll walk you all through the app setup. So download Sowsh on the App Store. Once it's installed, you can open it up and create a profile. I've already created a profile for the purposes of this video. So when you open the app, it takes you to your edit profile page. Here you can upload a profile banner, a profile picture, your name, bio, your phone number, email, WhatsApp. Here we have direct mode. Direct mode allows you to just share one website of your choosing instead of sharing your entire profile. This can be very useful depending on the event that you're going to. Next, social media. Simply input your username or your link in some cases into the fields. Music for artists, payment information for businesses, and of course, up to 8 custom web links of your choosing. Then save profile. It'll prompt you to activate your device, which I will do now with the Sowsh card. Simply hold the device to the back right there. Boom, it's activated. And this is what your profile will look like. Now that your profile and your device is set up, you're ready to start sharing. Like I mentioned before, simply hold the device to the back of the phone, open the web link, and boom, there's your profile. Like I mentioned, you can update your profile with as much or as little information at any time and save, and it'll be updated in live time. No need to reactivate your device. So now that you know more about Sowsh and our products and what they do, I invite you to check out our website where you can find out more about how Sowsh can benefit you and your business and how you can help out with our sustainable green initiative to reforest our planet. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day.